Want to get Proton VPN running on your Windows PC? I'll walk you through the whole thing, start to finish. Download, install, and connect it in about 3 minutes. Quick note before we start. We're going to download it straight from the link pinned in the description. The same link gets you the current deal, up to 70% off depending on what plan you're taking. Now, first step is clicking on that link in the description. It opens the Proton VPN page, which is this one. Go ahead and click on Get the Deal, and it's going to let you choose between 3 options: 2-year, 1 year, and 1 month. So depending on what you choose, you're gonna save up to 70% off for an entire plan. For example, if you take 1 year, it's 60% off and it brings it down to $3.99 per month. If you take the 2-year deal, it takes it a notch up to 70% off, which brings it down to $2.99 a month. You can start off with just 1 month, that's completely fine. And there's a 30-day money back guarantee, so if it's not your thing, you can refund it. But if you decide to go on full force, I would highly suggest getting a 2-year plan because it's gonna save you up to $168. Once you've clicked the plan that you like, it's going to take you to this page where it asks for your email address and your payment method. So just follow the step-by-step process in here and then click on checkout. Now let's grab the app. So depending on the OS that you are on, which for me is Windows, you can click on download and then click on the button for download for Windows. And once that is done, you can double click on the application. Now select the setup language depending on which you prefer. Click on OK. And then it's going to ask you where you want to place the program shortcuts. Usually I would leave this as is, but if you have some other way of keeping your shortcuts, it's completely fine. Click on next. And then check if these other Proton apps are also useful for you. In my case, they're not. And then you can leave the create desktop shortcuts ticked in. Click on install. And then it's going to install the app straight into your drive. So a quick reminder, once it's downloaded, Windows might pop up a little box asking if you want to let the app make changes to your device. That is normal. Just click on yes and proceed with the installation. Now, this is the part where you can start to log in. When you were checking out for the deal from Proton, there's an option to add your password, and that is the same thing that you're going to be using all throughout the video. Once you've signed in, just wait for it to load. And here's the part that actually protects you. If you click on Get Started, you'll see a big button saying Connect. If you click on it, Proton picks the fastest server for you and connects for a second or two. When it turns green and says Protected, that's it. Your connection is now private. 2 quick bonuses while you're here. If you want a specific country, maybe to watch something from another region, just click on Countries and then scroll down and pick the one depending on what region you want to be watching on. Turn it on once and then just forget about it. That's pretty much the whole thing. You've opened the link, made your account, and downloaded the Windows app. And if you can install any normal program, you've already got everything you need to do this. So if you have not grabbed it yet, the link is pinned right on the top of the description. That is my partner link. It gets you up to 70% off depending on what plan you take. Or you can start as a monthly trial and then decide if you want to push through with the product. Deals change, so click through and see what's live today, and you're pretty much all set. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.